Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm in Kiev, Ukraine on the 22nd floor of some big monster, huge, incredible, crazy hotel complex. Let me show you what my room looks like. Bye-bye. Okay, this is my room and I am on the 22nd floor. So I think I forgot to ask a few questions, like, does it have air conditioning? This is the bathroom, and the shower. Interesting, but at least it has a thing that holds the head up there. I don't know. So it has two single beds. But again, no air conditioning. I don't see any air conditioning. And it's on the 22nd floor, and that's my view. And that's the city. And it is just one big spread out crazy city. I got stiffed by my first two Uber drivers, and then some other guy offered to give me a ride, and that was an Uber guy. He was dropping people off, and so I took him up on that ride, and at least I finally got here. We had to call the hotel 3 times, but I made it. So it's an interesting TV. Anyway. This is my room, and this room cost $26. So, okay, that's it, everybody.